Good morning. This is the video newsletter for buysellshort.com for Sunday, May 18th. Here we have the Dow 15-minute chart. We're still in this bearish rising wedge. 13K is the breakout point. As I'd said, we've now have had three tests in this channel of 13K and they've been unable to break it. So we're going to be keeping a really close eye on this on Monday. We need a break over 13,000 or we're in for a retrace. If we flip over to the daily chart, as you can see right here, we have a hammer right below the 200-day moving average. That's bearish. Breakdown would be a move below 12,800 on the Dow, and we could see a pretty substantial retrace if we do see that breakdown. I mean, we could be looking at 12,300 to 500 on a move downwards. If we scroll down on the daily chart, stochastics are still in a buy mode, as is ADX, and we're working on a positive MACD cross. So not everything is negative on this chart, but we really need to see a break over 13K on Monday. SMH, we have a hammer top on the daily chart here. We're also at the upper level of this bearish rising wedge that goes back all the way to January. We had our big breakout. Our target's been hit. We've got an uptrend support line now at 32, which is also the 200-day moving average. So if we see a pullback, this is the area you want to see hold. Volume has increased over the last couple of days. I had mentioned last week that the recent move was on pretty low volume. We have seen volume come in here, but that may also be a sign that funds are distributing into buyers. We've got RSI is the most overbought it's been in about a year, and stochastics continue to remain over 80. So yet again, this we could see extension and a breakout, but there's also signs here for caution. US dollar looks like we might be seeing a breakdown in the dollar after its rally over the last month. RSI is about to break 50. We've got negative ADX cross probably on Monday. Stochastics are breaking down below 50. So this does not look good for the dollar unless we see a bounce back tomorrow. Otherwise, if we see a breakdown, which the chart is suggestion, we could see oil, crazy as it seems, extend even higher. Stock plays, ACPW, there's only a few of these clean energy plays left. We had pretty big news on Thursday and a short came in and smacked the stock down. Friday we had a large accumulator come in, buy a block of shares, and then the short came and smacked it down again. Breakout on this chart is 140. If we get a break of 140, we should quickly see a move to the 50-day moving average at 158. We've got pretty strong MACD right here. We've got a very nice build in stochastics. It's actually a positive divergence in stochastics that suggests the stock price should soon play catch up, and we should see a breakout probably this week. We're also looking at BCON, very, very tight consolidation over the last week. This is one that should definitely bust out, and it's on very close watch. Would be looking to pick up anything around the 115, 116 area. Stops at 110. RSI has been able to hold the 50 level. Stochastics, we're putting in a rounding bottom here, which we could be seeing this one getting ready to go boom. On-balance volumes held up pretty well as well. So BCON definitely on strong watch here this week with an upside breakout target of 148 plus. ACTS, trading alert on Friday. Action Semiconductor, Chinese semiconductor play, lots of cash, positive earnings. This is a play on Chinese stock momentum that is hitting the market big time. We've got the Olympics in a couple of months, and we're starting to see the Chinese stock pick up momentum. We've got a very nice pennant formation here with a breakout at 370. When this one breaks out, we should easily see a move to the 200-day moving average at 417, and there should be pretty strong support here at 350. On Friday in the trading room, we had a 10% mover in, actually ended up being 15% plus FFHL. We call it a 310. It made it as high as 360, I believe. Not bad for about 20 minutes work there. Stochastics almost oversold levels right now, and Chinese stocks are getting momentum, and this seems to be a great risk reward play on that sector momentum that we see coming. CHINA, China, said the other day that this one was coiling for a breakout. We got a huge move on Friday, almost a 30 cent or 8% pop on the stock, all the way to our first target at the 50-day moving average. Would be looking to pick up scalp positions on dips to the 350 area. Next target on this one is 4. We have RSI broke up above 50. We had a positive MACD crossover. We had a positive ADX cross. And we have a nice spike in stochastics and on balance volume. So this one, nice winner for us on Friday and looks to continue in the near term. CMOS continues to consolidate here on the 102 to 112 area. A close over let's say 111 should set this one free. Breakout would be a move above 116. So if we see this one break above 116, you might consider adding to your scalp play on this one with a target of 137 to 140 on this one. We've got a positive MACD crossover working for us. Stochastics, nice up move in stochastics, positive divergence in stochastics, and price should follow that very, very soon. Would be surprised if this one doesn't go this week. Last stock we're going to mention today is IMMU. Continues to consolidate here after its big sell-off a week ago. It looks ready for a breakout here. This is a stock when it consolidates, it's pretty overdue for one of its 20 to 30 cent spikes here. Volume has started to increase, which is nice. MACD is working off its oversold level. We've got stochastics also down in the basement, so this one definitely on strong watch for a pop target. If it goes on one of its usual runs, we could see this one easily bounce back to its 50-day moving average at 265. That is it for the video for tomorrow. We've got a few stop plays working for us, but we've also got our caution hats on. Just given where the major indices are, we need a breakout Monday, Tuesday at the latest, or else we could be in for a little retracement here. So we've got some stock plays, but we're being a little bit cautious right now. And that is it for the video. I will see you guys in the chat room tomorrow. Goodbye.